Hey there. If you're in your teens or early 20s, you're in one of your life's most exciting and sometimes confusing chapters. So here are some gentle, powerful lessons to help you grow, stay grounded, and move forward purposefully. The person you are today won't be the person you are 10 years from now, and that's a beautiful thing. Life teaches you through every high and every low. So focus less on perfection and more on how far you've come. Learning goes far beyond the classroom. It's a skill for life. When you discover how you learn best, everything changes. Do you want a great place to start? Let me recommend one of my all-time favorite books, Make It Stick. We often think everyone's paying attention to us, but in reality, most people are wrapped up in their own lives. So go after what you love and be true to yourself. That's more than enough. There's a lot in life you can't control, but your effort, your choices, and your mindset are always yours. That's where your true power lies. You never know what someone else is going through. Kindness costs nothing, yet it means everything. Whatever you're dreaming of, someone else has probably done it. Let that remind you. It's possible for you too. You are so much more than your grades, your job title, or the things you own. True worth comes from within, not from your resume, and definitely not from other people's opinions. Dreams are beautiful, but action brings them to life. Start small. Take the first step. It matters. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise. Failing doesn't make you weak. It makes you human, and it helps you grow. You learn from your mistakes and flourish. Whether it's therapy, a course, a book, or a mentor, you are always worth the investment. It pays off in more ways than you can count. Habits aren't about motivation, they're about systems. Build routines that support your goals, and they'll carry you even on the hard days. Challenge yourself, not to prove anything to anyone else, but to become who you want to be. Growth lives right outside your comfort zone. Protect your energy. It's okay to walk away from people who drain you. Your internal peace matters more than keeping everyone happy. Tiny steps taken every day lead to big changes. Progress isn't loud. It's quiet, steady, and powerful. You don't need to have it all figured out today. Keep showing up. Good things take time to grow. Even if you work for someone else, live for your values. Set goals that matter to you, and move toward them with determination. A good life begins with balance. Prioritize your health. Invest in your relationships, and make room for joy, all at a pace that honors your journey. The world has so much to teach you. Solo travel, even short trips, can help you see the world and yourself in new ways. You're in the driver's seat of your life. Own your choices. Move with intention. And remember, at the end of the day, you answer to yourself. Remember, life is a beautiful gift. Cherish it. Be thankful. Laugh freely. And always be yourself. Surround yourself with those who truly understand you and create unforgettable memories. Above all, make sure to enjoy every moment.